Strand and Gillingham.
Hey, yeah, there's the train we've just been on.
It's been on the little railway there.
You know, I used to come here as a kid, but it's been done up a lot since then. There's a lot more new things now here to see.
We had a little bit of extra time today and we were in the area, so we decided to go and have a look at what we could do here. Turns out there's loads to do. There's so much fun to be had along the banks of the River Medway. The miniature railway was a great hit with our little Thomas the Tank Engine fan. There's 2 separate playgrounds, one for smaller kids with a big sand pit and another for the bigger kids with all the swings, roundabouts and climbing frames you could ever want. There's even a splash pad for those hot summer days. For even bigger kids, or adults if you like to call yourself that,
Parkour area.
they have all-weather sports courts, a cafe, an outdoor gym and plenty of picnic areas. The saltwater Lido, which has been enjoyed by families for nearly 120 years, has recently been renovated. And from the glimpse we could see, it looked great fun. Unfortunately, we weren't prepared for coming here today, so we won't be going in, but we'll definitely be back soon to give this a go.